Hey everyone, want to crop an image in GIMP? In this video, I'll show you how to crop your photos step by step. Yeah, whether you're removing unwanted areas, improving composition, or preparing an image for social media, this guide will help you do it quickly and easily. First, open GIMP on your computer and load the image you want to edit. Click File, then Open, and choose your photo. Once the image appears on the canvas, you're ready to begin cropping. Next, select the crop tool from the toolbox. You can also press the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. After selecting the tool, click and drag over the area of the image you want to keep. Adjust the crop box by dragging the edges or corners until you're happy with the selection. You can reposition the crop area before applying it to make sure everything is framed the way you want. Once you're satisfied with the crop, press Enter or click inside the selected area to apply the crop. GIMP will remove everything outside the selected region. If you need a specific image size or aspect ratio, open the crop tool options before cropping and enter the dimensions, or choose a fixed aspect ratio. This is especially useful when creating images for websites or social media platforms. After cropping, take a moment to review the result. If needed, use undo to make adjustments and crop again until the image looks exactly the way you want. When you're finished, click File, then Export As, and save the image in your preferred format, such as PNG or JPEG, so you'll have a neatly cropped image ready to use or share. And that's how you crop an image in GIMP. It's a simple editing technique that can make your photos look cleaner and more professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.